let's go. Is your husband in?
No, he went out.
Actually, I called his line, but his line wasn't going through. It wasn't connecting. That is why I decided to check on him. I'll be going. But nevertheless, where are you heading to?
No, I want to go to the market to
really?
Pick some things.
Okay. I will drop you. Let's go.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Honey, a lady coming out from Emeka's apartment. Oh, it's up to a week now, and it makes me think if Emeka is married or something.
Emeka has been married for a long time now. Even when he was planning his wedding, he brought us invitation.
Honey, you didn't even bother to tell me.
Tell you as what? Tell you as who? What are you going there to do? He gave me invitation and I went for his wedding. You
went to his wedding without your wife? I'm your wife and he's your best friend. And don't you think that it's not,
Ina Choke being a you are always looking for where to go.
That reminds me, Emeka called. He said he was not reaching you, so he called me to give you a message.
Emeka called this my line, and it's not going through.
Yes, he said he called
you. He called this phone that is always on and available, and it was not going through.
Emeka called your line.
Just look at the way you are stammering. It shows you're lying.
I'm not
My
lying.
phone can never go off. This phone can never go off. And in fact, bring down your phone. Bring it.
Are you even suspecting me or what?
Oh! Emeka writes you messages on WhatsApp and calls you there, and you call him there too. What is between you and Emeka?
Are you accusing me?
Unlock your phone, okay? Unlock your phone.
Oh, this is not fair.
Unlock the phone. Evro, Emeka send big message on that my dear. In Asia. Everywhere you lock. WhatsApp, lock. Open your WhatsApp, okay? Open your WhatsApp. Open it. Get inside. Jenny! Jenny! Jennifer!
Oh, darling. Darling, I'm back.
Welcome, my darling. I hope you went well.
I give God all the praise. Everything went well. Just that I am so tired now.
I know the weather is very hot.
Yes, the
I have
weather is
prepared
hot.
your food. Let me go and bring your food. And after that, you take your bath.
I am not hungry now. I am not hungry. What about Ify and Tony?
She went to school, and Tony has gone back to the city.
Oh, he left for the city?
Yes.
But darling, there's something that is bothering my heart. I wish that our son Tony would get married. Because I will be a fulfilled man. He's no longer a kid. That young guy should get married so that my heart will be at rest.
Darling, you're supposed to talk to him before he leaves to the city.
It's okay, I understand. No problem, let me get inside. Okay?
You're welcome. My sister. It's like you're about to go out. Yes, my sister. I'm going to the church meeting. That is the reason why I came. I take excuse from you, the women's leader. Are you not coming? Yes. Why? But your sound are healthy.
I am not sick, my sister. You know my son, Kenneth. His wife put to bed. The girl's mom is no more, so I have to rush there. I got a call some hours ago.
Hey, are you kidding? Kai were here. Before mama para go. Chai, this for you. My sister, when you go. Oh, my regards to them, okay? Hey.
Ify,
Yes, Dad.
have your brother Tony picked up his call?
No.
He has not. Are you sure you're not playing game and telling me he has not picked your call?
Then I'm not playing games. I've called him 7 times now and he's not picking his call.
What is wrong with this boy? I think I will send my wife to Aba to see Tony.
No, Dad, she don't have to. There is one disease in Aba. It's called Ebola. It's affecting people
a disease in Aba. But Aba is dirty now. How can that disease affect any man in Aba? Aba no way to dirty.
Then I don't know.
No problem.
But don't worry. He will still pick his clock because I'm going to call him during the
Are you sure you will pick?
He will pick.
Okay, no problem. Keep trying, let me go inside. If not so, I will send the mother to Aba.
Oh.
Okay. Just keep trying.
Honey,
I'm coming.
please come fast. We are almost late.
Honey, let's go. I'm done already.
Oh my God! Why are you looking like a masquerade?
This is a joke. It's expensive. How can you be telling me that I look like a masquerade? You know how much I sold this cloth and how much you take me to wear.
Even as that, why should you use 6 years to sew your clothes? Honestly, I'm totally displeased with your dress. Why should you use 6 years to sew a cloth? You look so primitive, honestly.
You know how much I sold this cloth?
Even as that, come. Please come. Come. My love, let me tell you. Since I married you, you will break on instruction. Are you hearing me? You will do whatever I said. Huh?
Yes.
I want you to be looking so nice. Are you hearing me? Not for other people, so nice for me. Are you hearing me?
Yes.
Please go and change.
I don't like this.
Please go and change.
What is this?
It's jollof rice, man.
So this is what you prepared for me as breakfast? I knew it. I knew it is your plan. You want to kill me so that you will do what is on your mind, right? In fact, eat the food. Eat this one, including the one in the pot. Eat all of them.
The money you gave to me was little. I had to add up with my own money to make up something for you. Where have I wronged you? Tell me so that I can apologize.
Jenny, so I don't drop enough money for food in this house again.
What you dropped here was even 500 naira from your number. God.
Guy, you!
Of course, you know, I'm the good guy here. Unlike you who is a...
Get it, Nico, forget it.
See.
You guys should stop.
How you even managed to get this your beautiful wife, despite this your playboy stuff?
Your wife is a decent, a classic lady like her.
Wait. I don't want to start thinking that both of you are now looking at my wife. I don't want to start imagining that both of you are now looking at my wife.
Looking at your wife.
Come to think of, your wife is good. She's decent. She's a good woman. We can count how many times you tested her, yet she passed it. If there's anybody to suspect, it should be you.
Your wife is a good creature of God. People should admire her.
I don't blame both of you. No. I don't blame both of you. It's because I brought you into my family matters. That is why you have the guts to say I am the guilty and she's the innocent. No problem. I accept it. I'm a playboy. I'm a bad man. I do all sorts of bad things. Yes, I love women. Should I love men? I love women. But the point is, if I notice that both of you are beginning to look at Moon and Jacob,
Hey!
Listen,
nobody is eyeing your wife. Let's drink, nobody is eyeing her.
We can't do that. Guys, stay out of my family. Stay out of my family matter.
Good day, sir.
Hey, Friday, how are you?
I'm fine. I had you sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you. I learned that you will be traveling to Lagos. So when are you leaving?
Early in the morning tomorrow.
Early in the morning tomorrow. Okay, no problem. See, Friday, when you get to Lagos, I want you to work very, very hard. Don't join any bad group or bad boys.
I heard it, sir.
Make sure you work regularly so that you will make money and come down home here and get something. You see that building here your father left? When you make money, you will complete this building.
Okay, sir.
Do I make myself clear?
I heard it, sir.
Your father was my late brother. So I don't want anything that will happen to you.
Okay, sir. I will try to abide by instructions.
Good.
Thank you for your advice.
Tell your mother that I will be coming to see her this evening.
Okay, sir. Let me go home and get inspiration about tomorrow.
No problem, you can go. The Lord will be with you always.
Thank you, sir.
Hi. Hi. Chineke mere gị ebere.
My love. Is there anything wrong going to the market to buy new clothes?
Yes, everything is wrong. I have enough clothes in my wardrobe. Beautiful clothes. Honey, I don't want you to waste your money of clothes, okay?
My love, I'm not wasting my money. Our money. I don't like the way you dress. Look at the way, look at the clothes, look at how you dress. So primitive, honestly.
Honey, are you telling me you don't like what I wear?
Yes, my love. I want to listen. I want you to look sharp. I want to look good. You know I love good things.
Oh, Mama, are you back? Is it 3 already?
No,
Why?
the time is 2:30 p.m.
Then why do you have to come back by 2:30 p.m.?
I have forgotten that today is Thursday.
Okay, that is true, that is true. Mama, you have to go inside and have your lunch, okay?
How many of that has been over a week now?
Your daddy traveled for business purpose and he'll be back in no time, okay?
Are you sure?
I'm sure. I'm very sure, Amanda, you asked too much question. Then come, let's go inside so that you can have your lunch, okay? Amanda.
How have you been? Lost day on a business. Really?
Thank God for everything, Sha.
So, how is everybody here?
No, thank God. Let me see who's called himself.
Look at them.
His mama.
God.
He's calling.
What?
You want me to get married?
That is not a bad idea. And this one you're framing. Are you trying to tell me that you are not ready what?
The start of a bitter cola in the mouth does not justify the taste.
Man, just eat this bitter cola first. Yes, if you just look married the way I do, you see that marriage is very simple. Though I'm not married yet, but it's just a simple advice. God. Man, chill out, man. Chill out.
You said that it's very easy.
No, you're not going to the office today. Well, I want to go to the market to pick some food stock. I'll be back shortly.
You want to go to the market?
Yes.
Dressed like this? Have I not told you not to dress like this in this house before?
What is wrong with my dressing?
Everything is wrong with the way you are dressed. Everything is wrong with the way you are dressed. Listen, don't have you forgotten you're a married woman and you should dress properly. You should dress decently so that boys will not be staring at you lustfully when you're walking on the road.
Oh, great outlaw, what is wrong with the way I'm
Everything is wrong with the way you are dressed.
Okay, how do you want me to dress?
Fine. Since you don't know how to dress properly again, I will not give you a role model. Dress like Emeka's wife. Yes. She dresses properly. She dresses decently. She dresses like an angel. That is the way a responsible married woman should dress. Not like this. Go inside and change this nonsense, Biko.
You are joking, right? You want me to dress like Emeka's wife? No, it can't happen. How can I dress like Emeka's wife?
Shut up your mouth. Any right to speak when I am speaking. This thing you are wearing, you shouldn't wear it in this house again. Go inside and change this nonsense.
Listen, Izu. In as much as you married me with your man, you paid my bride price. Do you think it's enough reason for you to turn me to your puppet or to your thought?
You are a slave! What can you slave? You born in this house. Don't you know? You born in this house. I married you, so I owe you. What I said is what you should do. Go inside and just do something proper. I will push you, Sado. I will push you.
Do your worst. I will not do it.
It's again. Jennifer, mutu my worst. Mutu my worst. You are growing wings. You are growing wings. Go and come back. You will come back and meet me in this house. You will tell me who you dressed like that for. You are going to show them your back side and your front side, eh? I married you and you come to my house and you've turned into what I don't know. Go and come back. You come back and meet me. I should do my worst.
My sister, are you back from your move? You are looking good though. See you shining. Hey, you look as if you are the one that give birth.
My sister, in my next life, I will have Veronica as my daughter-in-law. Take this. When I go to the market, I buy soap and salt. You know I could not carry it from the city down to here.
All this for me?
Hey, my sister.
Oh my God! Thank you. You shouldn't have been bothered, though. Hey, I'm happy for you. You are lucky, oh. You are lucky.
Manage this one. What about your son?
My son? That one. He refused to get married. I have talked to him severally. He don't want to get married. I tried my best for him to get married, but he refused. What will I do? My sister, I'm not happy.
My sister, don't say that. Even my son, I talked to him before he got married. You know, children of nowadays, so you should put more effort and talk to him.
Oh, my sister, as you said, let me be trying. Okay, now.
You should be trapping.
I really can imagine. But it's your fault. Come on. How can you give her orders and she neglects the orders?
My brother, do you know the most frustrating part of this whole thing? Is that she stood before my very presence and said I should do my worst. In my own house, Jenny is now rubbing shoulders with me. She's manning up with me in my own house.
My friend, just, you know what? Take it or leave it. There are some of our useless friends are instigating her to do such a thing.
Abi?
Make life unbearable for her.
My brother, I am trying. I am doing everything I can to bend her as much as I can. But the point is, the more I'm bending her, the more she's raising her ugly head. Manning up with me in my own house.
You know what? Your best hasn't been enough. Come, let me tell you. Mommy,
so you don't do all this while and you kept silent. You kept silent. My brother, thank you for coming around. Thank you. Tony, you know you usually have tight schedules on Sundays. Biko, try to break them down so that we'll meet up with our appointment in Emeka's house tomorrow. It's very important.
Okay, I hope you come with your wife.
My wife? What has my wife got to do with this? I'm not coming with her, I'm coming alone.
Why are you always being like this? You should come with your wife. It's compulsory.
You're not old enough to get married. Go and marry tonight and come with your wife tomorrow.
Izu, I have to understand what marriage is all about. I don't want to end up how you and your wife is fighting over marriage. I don't like such.
Wait, so you are actually trying to advise me on a matter you knew nothing about? Okay, I'm not coming with my wife. She's not coming here to do anything. Bye-bye.
Izu?
Welcome, sister. How is family?
And everybody's fine. How is your mom?
Thank you, sister. Something to eat. Since you're sounding like this, I hope all is well.
Everything is alright. It's your husband.
My husband? What happened to my husband?
What happened to your husband? So, when your husband came to my house, if you see his facial expression, he's very mean. He needs you to change the way you are dressing. He don't like what you are wearing. He wants you to change like it. There is a name, one lady name. Sharon. He said that you should dress like her.
Sister, you just said Sharon. If you see this lady called Sharon, and what she wears, you will not even in your entire life advise me to dress like her. How can I don't know. Oh God.
I know, my sister. But you have to obey your husband. Please to run.
Sister, I've been dressing like this for even before he met me. And I've been dressing like this even up to 5 years of marriage. Why the sudden change?
Jane, men have the way of their reason. You have to listen to him. You know, in Igbo land, Igbo culture, I made it to understand that men are never wrong on wherever they do. That we women are victims of everything.
Sister, read my lips. It will never happen.
Jenny, please think about it.
Why do you have to look at my show?
Because I don't want to see you or anything that looks like you, close or around that.
You don't want to see me in my shop again. The shop that has been in existence even before you knew me. You just locked up my shop.
I have married you. And so everything you have, that shop and everything inside that shop belongs to me.
When was the last time you dropped money for food for me and your daughter in this house? That you had to lock up that shop? Why are you so damn wicked?
Jennifer, me wicked. You call me wicked because I have closed the avenue where you meet with your numerous boyfriends and plan on the joints where all of you will see. Abby?
Oh, no.
This is the genesis of the wickedness. I have turned you into a housewife, which is what you are supposed to be. Women's place in this world is in the kitchen, not in the shop.
I refuse being a housewife.
If you talk back in my presence again, I will slap the living daylight out of you. Get out of my set! Get out! Get out! I just closed your shop and you're still talking. I am coming to collect your phone. Fool.
You should be trapping.
What a stupid fool. And as for you, Jenny, I will make life so miserable and unbearable for you. So that next time, you will know that you are meant for me and not for you. This is just the beginning.
My heart, what is going on with your friend?
Which of them?
Zoo, of course. It's like he's having crashes with his marriage.
Listen to me, my love. Izu is the cause of his problem. The wife and the daughter, they are good. Are you hearing me? So I don't know why we should be discussing much about him.
My fellow woman will be suffering a lot of heartbreak.
Definitely she's suffering. She is in torment. But nevertheless, my dear, I have tried to talk to Izu. The truth that he has chosen his fate. I have tried in all scenarios. He couldn't even hearken to the voice of my instructions. So I don't have anything to do, you know. My dear, so let us concentrate our own family.
No, my heart. He's still your friend. Continue talking to him. One day, he will come to his senses, okay?
My love.
Yeah?
I will talk to him, but I know he will not listen. Nevertheless, he won't and he will not. I'm perceiving something good. What are you preparing?
Oh my God. I'm preparing something in the kitchen.
Wow. That must be good.
Yes.
Rush. I can't wait.
She's my cousin's sister.
But I don't know her.
Yes, I'm not always around. I based in Lagos, okay?
Yes?
Don't ask any other question. Table manner, no talking while eating.
Please, let's pray before we eat.
In the name of the Father.
I'm worried. Please stand up. Let's talk about your brother. Since then, I'm not hearing from him. What are we going to do? I'm really worried. Please.
Aba is a big city. You can't locate him there. Let me go. I'll be more comfortable there than you.
Hey, Chimebuonume! I want to see my son. Is he still alive? I want to see him. I'm worried. I want to hear his voice. Hey, Shai.
He's still alive. Maybe he misplaced his phone or they stole his phone.
Hey. Shai. If I'm worried, I'm worried.
He's fine. He's fine.
Should I believe you?
Yeah.
Miracle, how are you?
See, I'm fine.
And how is school?
School is fine, just that I'm preparing for our forthcoming examination next month.
Wow, so you're going to the university. And what course do you intend to study?
Medicine and surgery.
Medicine and surgery? Hey! You'll be our future doctor. Don't worry, next year when I'll be pregnant, you'll be the one to take care of me.
Yes. Okay, Mama, that reminds me. I've been, trying to connect you, but the network has been the problem.
She has been with you even the last time I visited you.
What?
My daughter, I'm not feeling fine, but I'm okay now. Your husband came yesterday.
That is exactly the same reason I've been trying to reach you.
What is going on between you and your husband?
Mama, honestly, I just do not understand my husband again. Ma, do you know that my husband stabbed me and my daughter? He even went to an extent of bringing in a whore in a matrimonial bed, introducing her to Amanda as a cousin sister.
Aro. Abomination. My daughter, the fate of this marriage is in your hand. Go to God in prayer. We have tradition. Whatsoever your husband wants you to wear like that. For peace to reign in your marriage, you cannot go back to your father's house, my daughter. People will laugh at you. Oh?
This is not my fate now.
I thought this your husband is a saint.
Honestly, I just don't know. I just don't know. How will I continue like this? Mama, if you see what I'm suffering in this marriage, you have mercy on me. What kind of life is this? No joy, no love. When I continue like this, I don't want me. I just want me to live in this life.
How long will I continue to put on this engagement ring? It's been 2 years already. You told me that you're coming last month to see my people. You did not show up. What is happening?
Babe, we have all the time in the world to think about this.
Tony, what do you want to think about? Tony, I think you're cheating on me.
I'm not cheating on you.
If you're not cheating on me, then you're playing tricks with me. Tony, is it when this ring decay on my finger that you come and see my people?
I am not ready for this marriage.
Tony, when will you be ready? Is it when I'm 40? Is it when I have grey hairs on my hair? Then you will tell me that I'm too old for you. Tony, is it that I'm only good on bed?
Okay. It's not what I meant. The truth of the matter is that it's not what I meant.
Then what do you mean? Are you serious about it?
I'm serious.
Thank you.
Gratun,
Yes.
why not picking Mama's call? Mama is not feeling fine, no.
What? I've not been with my phone.
Oh, Gratun, that is not enough reason. Mama said I should tell you that you should come to the village and see her. Today or tomorrow. Mama is not feeling fine. Unless you want her to die.
No.
Then go to the village and see her.
I will go.
Brother, what?
Just go to the kitchen. That's food there. Yes. Thank you.
I have said my own and I believe you heard me clearly.
What do you mean? Just enlighten me the more. Why don't you want me to dress normal? Am I not a human being?
What do you mean look at you? Eh? So you are so daft and stupid that you don't know the difference between looking, moping and staring lustfully. Wait, Jennifer. You think I don't know you be seducing my friends and they'll be lusting after you? That is why Emeka is defending you up and down and center. Listen, mind yourself.
Seriously, your friends will be many things, but lusting after me is not one of them. Please give them some credit. And give me too.
Jennifer, you stand in my presence to talk, to give credit to other men. You stand before me and give credit to other men. You read me that. Are you crazy? Are you mad? Have you lost it? If you try this again, if you ever try this again, I will use a hot slap and shift your head.
You slapped me. I have tolerated a lot of things in this marriage. I have tolerated you stabbing me and my child. I have tolerated you bringing in a whore in this house, introducing it to your daughter as your cousin sister. Going out there, celebrating yourself as for the Christmas.
Wait, you are still. Are you still there? Come on, get out. Let me see you here again. Look at this fool. So you've grown wings. It has gotten to the extent that you now raid me with other men. You put us in the raid and raid them high and raid me low. God will punish you. You will soon tell me what is between you and my friends. Look at this girl.
I'm off to Chema, my friend's birthday party, the one I told you about.
Jennifer, look at the time. It is 12 o'clock. I am giving you 2 hours. 2 hours. If you are not back to this house by 2 p.m., you will have problem with me. If it exceeds 2 hours, you will have problem with me. Don't say I didn't warn you. Your Jennifer, that your inner way. Draw it up.
Really?
Very woman. You don't have all those mousy girls. The one that does not have shit.
This one is...
I'll give you the good shut up. And I'll fill your figures and
this one is maxi enough now.
They are still seeing the whole thing.
What are they seeing?
They are still the size, the map, the shape of everything.
This cloth is the cloth for my mother, not for my size. This cloth is not my size, it's my mother's size. But this is what you want it to be, and I'm still wearing it. You are still complaining.
Okay, shut up. It's like you don't want to go for this birthday party again. If you are going, make sure you always do the clothes like this so that this girls will not be seen inside. Yes. Good. Just do it. 2 hours. 2 hours.
I'm about to go. What about the lunch?
Okay, you are going to the market, right? Yeah. Okay. Medium.
Honey, this money will not be enough for things I want to buy in the market. You know that I don't have any sweet stuff in the house. And so I want to do my hair.
My love.
Yeah?
Listen, business has been bad. So please, manage this. Next time I will make it up to you. Hmm?
Okay. See you.
Dad, I love you.
Thank you.
What was that Jane wore today? Did she change because of church or what?
It beats my imagination.
I heard that she was caught with a man in her husband's house.
Ada! Really?
Yes.
Where did you get such from? Jeez. If this your tongue still remain intact to the end of this year, that means you should be getting yourself prepared for a Thanksgiving. Ah! Well, all I know is that her husband is the jealous type, coupled with Igbo tradition. So get that.
Too bad. How men of these days uses tradition to cheat, intimidate, and do all sorts of things just because tradition is in their favor.
Well, Jane is good. If it were to be me, that man would have been lying down at the hospital, drinking blood like vampire. You know me, I trust you. You know what? I trust you.
Wow, you're all welcome to my humble home.
Thank you.
This is Sharon, Emeka's wife.
Wow, it's my pleasure.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And meet your husband's friend. Is his wife.
No. You see, your husband is one of my husband's best friends.
Oh, you are welcome at any given time.
Thank you.
Jane. What is happening? People have been talking. Even the last time. The way you dress. I don't understand. As in.
Honestly, my sister, I have no other choice but to save my marriage. I have to save my marriage.
Do you say you don't have any choice? Everybody has a choice. Jenny, just take a good look at yourself, Jenny. Hey, can you just stand at the mirror to look at yourself? You are fading up by the day.
My dear, you see, choice is one thing we do know. We have it in us. I once dressed the way you do. That is my choice. But my husband did not like it. But out of love and respect was added. And here I am happy. But in your own case, it's out of intimidation. You got married for you to have peace. Love. For crying out loud, to have freedom. But where is it?
You really need to think about this. Yes. Please do.
I'm also happy to see you.
Hey, my baby. Alright? Yes, brother.
Is you my good friend? I'm not after the color. How are you? How is your wife and your child?
My brother. How is the family?
We are perfect. Isu, what is wrong between you and your wife?
Make clothes. Forget that one. That one is not an issue to discuss.
Really?
Leave that one.
I understand. I was known as a good man. And you're my good friend. Is it? Why did you change? Your wife is a good woman. Why did you torment her? Let me tell you something. The reason why she left her father's house, siblings, and to bear your surname, to bear your name, it's not only for bearing children or anything else. You have to show her love. You have to tolerate her. I know that nobody is 100% okay. But show her at least little love. Let me tell you, as of Drexen, we all look good to the glory of God, and you know that.
Well, Emeka, I've heard everything you said. And this shows that you have the interest, like you have my best interest at heart, and I appreciate it. But the truth is, if you give a woman freedom, she will destroy you. She will ruin your life. Listen, women are not supposed to be given soft landing at all. If not, you will end up like Samson in the hands of Delilah.
Really? Is the reason why you spend your money on women and on vows, right?
Emeka, I make this money. You
Even
have no
as
right
that?
to tell me where and who to spend the money on. Eh? Just drink up. Eh?
I'm not after the drink, honestly. Please, try to put things right.
Emeka, forget this. If this is what you came to my house to discuss, then I think you have to start with, because you've made your point. I've heard what you said.
Are you asking me out of your house?
You've said what you came for now. And you said you are not drinking.
Okay, I'm going.
No problem. A time shall come when you will tell me what is between you and my wife. What you saw in my wife that always make you talk on her face. One day. Okay. You stay in your house and stay in my house.
My son, you are not getting younger anymore. I want you to get married. The time is not on your side again. What is holding you?
Mama, marriage is not easy. And I will think about this.
You said that marriage is not easy.
Yes,
It's me that will tell you what marriage is easy. Because you don't understand what is marriage. Marriage is tolerance, love. No, I know that maybe you are scared of getting married. But marriage is easy. If you can understand. Please, I want you to get married because I want to carry my grandchildren.
Mama, I've heard you. I've heard you. I will do that. Just cheer up, yeah?
Please, you should put it in this thing.
No problem.
I'm worried.
Wow, when did Cindy arrive?
She arrived last week and she invited us to come over.
God.
But you know I can't go out looking like this.
Come on. I believe you have something good in your closet. Please do make use of it.
Have you forgotten my husband's dressing code?
It's true. Let me ask you something. Ever since your marriage crisis started, have you think of something to make yourself happy? Not minding what you are into.
Please, let's have friend stuff, okay?
Friend stuff. My dear, I can't jeopardize my marriage just because of one pleasure. I'm already fixing this. I'm fixing it already, and I know that God will help me.
I'm sorry, baby. But did I just hear you fixing?
Yes.
There are some things that are beyond fixing, and this is one of them.
Let's even go there. Fixing this, and I know that God will help me do it. Okay?
Exactly my point. God will help you if you help yourself. And that means getting a divorce.
What?
Yes!
I'm an evil woman for crying out loud. And I have shame. What do you think people will say? No. I can't do it.
Jenny, my friend, I have always known you as a strong woman. Keep it up, okay?
Please don't even go there. Let me just get you something.
I'm happy for you. What is your name?
My name is Violet.
How is your parents?
They're all fine.
Where are you from?
I'm from Imo State, Mama.
Yeah, you are welcome.
Mama, you can really ask questions. So. In fact, you need to go into teaching.
Shy. You know I'm happy. I'm waiting for you to bring your wife to me. Ha. My son, you will not understand. Yes, so. My daughter, something really happened today.
Oh, how did it happen?
You know, in our catechism class, there is a woman, I don't know whether I should call her a grandma or an old woman. They asked her, Onye Keregi. The woman said, do you know what she said? Hey, she said, oh, Imam Wam Kerem.
But Mama, have she not been attending classes?
My dear, she's taking snuff. I don't know whether it's snuff. I don't know what is wrong with her.
Yeah, poor woman.
My brother,
trust me now. I always give advice with you.
What would I have done without you? In fact, you see this evening, for the club, I will host you.
Oh.
Come in, please.
Is this a work year or something?
Oh, Johnny, you're welcome. You're here on time.
So I got your message.
Oh, yes. The meeting has arrived and you're here on time.
You know what, Isu? I better take my leave, please.
Yes, see you at the club.
Oh, Mr. Tony, nice to meet you.
So how do we do the project?
Oh, thank God. Isu, do you know this guy that left here now?
Of course, he's a very close friend.
Really?
Yeah.
I hope you have not been discussing your family problem with him.
I said he's a very close friend of mine. As a matter of fact, he's been the one helping me on the issues I'm having with my wife.
Interesting. So it has been him all this time. So, don't you know that your wife dumped him over you?
Tony, what kind of thing? Well, I don't understand you. What kind of drama? What are you saying? I don't understand you.
What I'm trying to say is that guy that left here is your wife ex-boyfriend.
No, Tony, this is becoming serious. Are you serious about what you just said?
Yes, I'm serious.
My wife was dating Ini Edo before. Jesus Christ. Tony, this is something you don't, this is not a matter you joke with. Like, are you very serious?
I'm very serious. I'm not lying to you. You're my good friend for a long time. I can't call you to fabricate something that is not true. I'm telling you the gospel truth.
Oh my God. I have messed up big time. This guy deceived me. Chinedu deceived me.
This is a very good thing because of tradition. The problem you have pride. If you stay with bad guys, you're going to
Tell me I have not been taking advice from someone who is obviously jealous of my relationship with my wife. Someone who doesn't want my relationship with my wife to stand. Don't... How do I even start telling her that I am sorry? But I can't do that. No, I can't do that. I'm a man. I have integrity. You want me to say I am sorry? What about her? She has wronged me too. When I will be making love to her, she will just lie like a log of wood. God, I just don't know how to get out of this. I am just confused.
God will help you if only you help yourself. And this is one of the getting a divorce. Please get that. God will help you if only you help yourself. And that means getting a divorce. And this is one of them. God will help you. There are some things that are beyond this. And this is one of them. And this is one of them. God will help you. There are some things that are get that. And this is one of them. Help you. Only you help yourself. That means please get that. God will help you. Only you. And this is one of them. There are some things that are beyond physical. And this is one of them. And this is one of them.
I'll be prepared for everything. Look at me. What kind of life is this? What kind of marriage is this? Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help me. No. No. Oh God. Let me go. Have a mistress disappointed you?
No. Everything that happened, it wasn't intentional. It's the hard work of the devil. And I am very sorry. Please don't leave me.
You hurted me. You humiliated me. You made me a laughing stock among people. Eh? There's no life left for me here. There's no joy. There's no happiness. Absolutely nothing. And you want me to still stay? It's too bad. I'm practically watching the ground that you walk on. And all what do I get from you? Please just let me be. Let me be. Honestly, there's nothing left for me here and there's nothing to talk about. Just let me go! Let me go! Let me go!
Please, I'm begging you. We can sort this out.
No way. No way. I'm done here. I'm done. There's nothing left for me. I once loved you. I worship the ground you walk on. But I can't do it again. Please, I still have a choice in this life. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
Jenny! How I wish I can turn back the hand of time. How I wish I have an opportunity to right my wrongs. But I guess I don't have. And just like they say, you can't eat your cake and have it. It's a pity. Selfishness and tradition has destroyed me.